Jimmy Shaw. Got a 67 Nova SS that is just impeccable. Your car is just absolutely beautiful. Tell me about it.
Well, it's a 1967 Nova.
Yeah.
And we decided we wanted something that would be easy to drive, that would be updated with all the new technology.
New technology, right.
And so, but we changed a lot of things on it, but we wanted to keep it still simple, that it would look like the original car. So we did
Looks like it should be sitting on a showroom today.
Well, it can be,
Yeah.
but it can also be driven.
Right, right. And the craftsmanship on this vehicle, who did the build for you?
Greening Auto Company in
Greening.
Nashville, Tennessee.
Okay. And you're from Mississippi.
I'm from Mississippi.
Got it. Okay.
Mississippi.
I know. So, how many years in the build process?
3 years, which was off and on. We was waiting on some parts and had to make some parts, but we took a little time with the car, and I've always been a Chevy 2 guy, and so I went through some stages back in the past of how I wanted something built to the car. So everything just kind of come together, and Jesse and Jeff, which are the owners, they worked with me real well, and Jesse came up with some really great ideas on the car. That's
what
real
about
subtle.
under the hood? Talk about your engine and
Okay,
transmission.
Just a LSX engine, nothing out of the way. It's just all cleaned up and everything just detailed.
Right, right.
T56 6-speed transmission.
So you went again. A lot of guys are going with these manual transmissions. Why'd you do that?
Because probably the first thing I ever driven was a stick shift.
You just wanted to harken back to the original, just a couple extra gears.
20 years ago.
Right, yeah.
Yes, but I started driving
That's
stick
great.
shift when I first started driving.
And then as far as drivability, does it have, you know, a lot of these cars that do an air suspension and all that. How does it drive? I know you don't have any of that.
No,
But
it drives really well. It is on coilovers. It's a Detroit speed suspension, front and rear. And this car has also been in autocross 2 times.
I love that.
It's driven. And it handles real well.
That is the new thing these days, is they're not just making them look good, they're making them drive good, go fast, handle on the autocross.
And air conditioner.
And have air conditioning. Jimmy Shaw, you're the best.
Thank you.
From Mississippi.
Appreciate it.
All right, appreciate you bringing her out.
Thanks.
This is the Grand Marshals Car Show, and I think I've picked some nice cars.